Hey, what is up guys? This is FNH here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to fix the error file is too large for the destination system. So you guys probably see this error if you have been trying to transfer a pretty large file into a USB or somewhere, and you're getting this error even though the USB has enough space. Okay, and the way to fix it is pretty simple. Alright, so you can see, let me just show you guys what I mean by the error. So you guys can see this USB drive has 7.43 gigabytes free, okay? And I want to transfer this file, which is like around 5 gigabytes. Alright, so let's open it up and let's drag it in there. So now you can see the file sequence is too large for the destination file system, even though in here we have 7.4 gigs free. Okay, and the reason for that is mainly because what the type of file system this USB is. So we can see over here the file system is FAT32, and FAT32 has a limitation as on, I believe, up to 4 gigs. So you can transfer a file up to 4 gigs, but if the file is bigger than 4 gigs, you're not able to transfer it. Okay, and the way to fix it is pretty simple. You can just right click, format, and when you click format, click file system, you want to choose NTFS. Okay, so let's do that. It's saying it's going to format it, so whatever, that's fine. So this can take a little while. You know, you can have quick format on or off. Doesn't really matter in this situation, but you know, it'll probably take like less than a minute. Alright, so it's done. Let's check out the file system now. Properties. You can see over here file system NTFS. So now we want to take this and see if it works. And there you go, you can see it transferring, and that's basically how it's supposed to be working. So the issue is mainly because the file system is FAT32, which has a limitation on the file size it can transfer. Alright, so once you change it to NTFS, everything should be working just fine. Alright, and so if you guys do want to know how to transfer files, or I mean I should say how to change the file system without formatting it, right? Make sure to check out my other video where I explain how to change the file system without formatting it. I'll leave a link in the description below, so you can check that out. So yeah, because in this case you always have to format it and wipe out whatever's on the USB. All right, so yeah, there you go. That's basically how you do it. Let me know if you guys have any question or comments. You know, leave them down below. I'd love to help you guys out. If you liked the video and it helped you, make sure to like it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more updates. Other than that, FNH out. Peace.